Well, the annual list of the best beaches in the United States is out, and a Long Island beach made the cut.
#1, Kailua Beach Park in Oahu, Hawaii, for its white sands and clear, calm waters. Beaches in North Carolina and Florida place second and third, and Cooper's Beach in Southampton placed fourth, ahead of another beach in Hawaii. The early list was created in 1991 by a university professor known as Dr. Beach to reward high-quality, safe beaches that balance nature with accessibility and amenities.
You know what? When Dr. Beach retires, I'd like to take over that title. I'm not a doctor, but I am a scientist
That would be a
of
good job.
beaches.